The heart and great vessels. Each of the four cardiac chambers is associated with major blood vessels. Right atrium associated with superior and inferior vena cava. Right ventricle associated with pulmonary artery. Left atrium associated with pulmonary vein, and left ventricle associated with aorta. The small upper chamber, right atrium and left atrium, are for receiving blood, and the lower larger chamber, right ventricle and left ventricle, are for pumping blood. Right atrium associated with superior and inferior vena cava, through which deoxygenated blood are receiving by the right atrium. Right ventricle associated with pulmonary artery. Right ventricle pumping deoxygenated blood to the lungs through pulmonary artery. Left atrium associated with pulmonary vein, through which oxygenated blood from the lungs are carried out by the left atrium. Left ventricle associated with aorta. Left ventricle pumping oxygenated blood to the body through aorta. Triple layer covering of the heart. Heart is covered by three layers. The outer layer called pericardium, the middle layer called myocardium, and the inner layer called endocardium. First we are discussing about pericardium. In Greek word peri means around and cardium means heart. That means pericardium is covered by the outer surface of the heart. It is a double-walled sac containing the heart and the root of great vessels. Great vessels are superior and inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and aorta. These are also covered by pericardium. Pericardium has two layers. An outer layer is made up of strong connective tissue called fibrous connective tissue, and inner layer made up of serosa membrane called serosa pericardium. Function of pericardium. Pericardium lubricates our heart in order to prevent frictions with the tissue around it. Pericardium protects our heart from infection that might spread from nearby organs like lungs. Pericardium prevents too much stretching of heart by prevent overfilling of blood in cardiac chambers. Next, myocardium, the middle layer of heart. Myocardium is muscular wall of the heart present below the pericardium. Myocardium is made up of cardiac muscle cell called cardiac myocytes or cardiomyocytes. Myocardium is found in the wall of all four chambers of the heart. That is right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. Next, endocardium, the inner layer of the heart. Endocardium is the innermost layer of the heart wall, made up of thin connective tissue lined by squamous epithelial cell called endothelium. The main function of endocardium is it houses the conduction system of heart by regulating the conductivity of cardiac muscle. Human heart and circulation. Human heart is made up of cell. Cell is the structural and function unit of human being. This cell requires oxygen in order to function properly. This oxygen is supplied by blood circulation. There are three different types of blood circulation, that is systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, and coronary circulation. Let's see. Systemic circulation. Left ventricle chamber of the heart supply oxygenated blood to the body tissue through aorta and its branches. Diffusion of oxygen from blood to tissue cells and carbon dioxide from tissue cells to blood occurs through capillaries. Capillaries are a types of blood vessels through which diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. This carbon dioxide containing blood called deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood carried out through superior and inferior vena cava to the right atrium. This process of circulation is called systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation. Right ventricle chamber of the heart pumping deoxygenated blood to the lungs through pulmonary artery for purification of blood. After purification, this purified blood or oxygenated blood received by the left atrium through pulmonary vein. This process of circulation occurs by pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery. That is why it is called as pulmonary circulation. Coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is mainly for supplying oxygen to the heart. because it is also made up of muscle, that is cardiac muscle, which itself requires oxygen in order to function properly. Left ventricle chamber pumping oxygen to the heart through aorta and coronary artery. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the heart through cardiac vein.